Hey guys, out of here once again. This here is my 2020 BMW R1250 GS Adventure. Today I'm reviewing a Viking product. It's the Apex Adventure Touring Tank Bag with Hydro Pack. So here we have the Apex Touring Tank Bag. It comes with mole webbing at the top, Hydro Pack at the bottom. MSRP for the bag is $179.99. The bag is constructed of 1680D ballistic nylon. It comes with a 2-liter detachable reservoir. Dimensions on the bag are 15 inches by 8.5 inches by 5.5 inches high. Total storage capacity is 427 cubic inches. The included Hydro Pack can hold 2 liters of water. And it's easily removable if you need the storage space. It's got a high-viz interior. Love the red, with multiple zippers and storage compartments. It also has another pouch at the front, which can be used for sunglasses or smaller items. The tank bag also includes a rain poncho for rainy weather with a clear lid. Comes with a small opening, which can be used for cables for charging your equipment or cell phone. So far, this bag looks amazing. Made for the outdoors. The bag comes with mounting straps. You'll attach them to the frame, like so. They are plastic buckles with 2 zip ties holding them onto the frame. And then for the top mount is a buckle system that attaches to the neck of the steering column. Here we have our Hydro Pack. It's going to be an easy install. We got straps on each side. Those will attach to the buckles that we installed earlier. And then the top here also has buckles that'll attach to the fork. So first we'll start with the top buckles. Go ahead and make some space there. One side. Adjust it to where you need it. Go ahead and grab your bottom clip, hook it, and go ahead and adjust your strap. It's got another little buckle there. Clip it in. You're gonna want it as tight as possible. Attach your Velcro. Boom. And there you have it. Easy install, quick detach. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off just to show you how easy it is. 2, 4 straps. Now you're on the go. This pack also doubles as a backpack. It's got 2 installed shoulder straps that are tucked in at the bottom of the bag. They have 2 clips that you can attach to the buckles down here. And just like that, your tank bag turns into a backpack. The 2 buckles also double as a belt to keep it from bouncing around. There you go. Now that I have it unloaded, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how much stuff I was able to fit. As you can see, it has multiple compartments for storing stuff. All small items, bigger items, smaller items. There's some straps here for whatever you need. Another pouch in here. So as far as compartments goes, it has more than enough compartments for all your needs. Down at the bottom, we have our hydro pack compartment, which may or not be used depending on your needs. You could always remove this. Quick on and off as well. So overall, gotta say this bag is amazing. Super impressed with it. Viking did a great job putting it together. It's got tons of storage. Comes with a hydro pack, 2-liter hydro pack. More webbing up top. I mean, tons of compartments. You got 4 separate compartments to put stuff in. So my hat's off to Viking, great bag. I do have to say, anybody out there looking for a tank bag, who's an adventurer, who needs the storage, this is perfect for you. Personally, I feel like this is a one-all do-all. Turns into a backpack. You got a waist strap. I mean, everything. It checks all the boxes in my list. With that being said, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.